as we're about to get started on some more work here, just want to show you guys how this is installed. There's the rad flow in the rear, the shocks, the new track bar mount from Fabtech, new rear end from Ford Motor Company since they couldn't get me a rear locker that worked right. We have this here. You can definitely say these are beefy. So, and there's the rear part of it. Alright, so the front part up here, a lot of the way they mounted these up here to where they would be safe. So they're behind the bumper, not in the way. So if I need to get up there and work on fog lights or something else, take the bumper off, should be good. They're not in the way at all. Easy to adjust. There's the handle right there. Of course, there is the switching down on the ground. This is on lift, so it's hard for me to look up there. New tie rods. How about those? Got those on. You know, one of the things about these, you do have to grease them. So I will be buying some grease here soon to do that. But other than that, you know, these things are pretty beefy as well. Look how thick those things are. But anyway, there's the front strut on the driver's side, at least. Total Chaos UCAs. I may end up upgrading those to Delta joints later. I just really had good luck with those in the 4Runner. So, just want to point this out to you.